Hello, I am Garrett Cook with Cook Home Services. I am the head coach, which basically means I manage the day-to-day operations and make sure that my team can take care of our customers. So the type of exterior work that we do on homes really ranges quite a bit. So our primary thing is obviously roofing. We come in and do a lot of roof replacements, also repair of existing roofing. A lot of times we find in homes where maybe there's some of the fascia or the side parts of your home that need some repair as well. We do a lot of that. And then obviously gutters, kind of the exterior of your home, what catches all that water and make sure that we don't damage your home's foundation. That's our gutter systems. So we do quite a bit of gutters of repairing and replacements. So we also provide several different leaf guards for our gutter systems. So depending on what type of trees you have in your home, so whether you have a lot of pine trees, which can be really tough, we have special leaf guards for that, and then to just your traditional leaf guards. That way you're preventing yourself from getting up on the roof, and not only is it not fun to do, but sometimes it can also be kind of dangerous. And then we also do windows and doors, and then also we do some siding, grade work as well to make sure that we get water that's not sitting around your foundation, damaging your basement or your crawl space or just the underneath of your home. And that's all of our work outside.